everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I forgot to turn my lanterns on. Oh no, turn them on, turn them on, turn them on. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. I did get to go out and check out the store. Had to pick up a little gift card for somebody that won a prize. So I'm just going to give you a quick peek at what I found at the store. This store had new things I hadn't seen. You may have if you've been down to Dollar Tree. I did pick up a couple things that I thought might make some fun gifts, and I'm going to show you what I got. So you ready? Ready? Ready. Oh, also there'll be some pictures at the end of some things that I didn't bring up to my studio. So you may be looking for that as well. Now, one thing I did pick up was a big, huge gift bag. I'm going to tell you what, Dollar Tree sells these for $1.25, even $1.25. You cannot buy this anywhere else. And it's a big old gift bag, and it is so cute, just lovely. Little snowmans, they had all kinds. I just, picked a couple as I was walking through. The associate told me a lady just bought 2 basketfuls. I said, well, I won't buy 2, maybe 1. And it was pretty full. Okay. Anyway, ice skating winter season. Is this the cutest? And look at that foil on there. That is adorable. You've got it carrying over that red plaid on the side, and inside carries that green and red. So cute. Getting ready for Christmas. It's just a few weeks away. Oh, it's already coming. I just am trying to figure out how did it pass by me so fast this time. Anyway, they had these cute little solar, they're a solar stake. It said a spotlight, so you can point it up and down where you want. And I thought these were cute for Christmas, little poinsettia look going on. And you have to pull the little tag out for them to start to charge, and really, really cute. They charge on top. So I got a couple of those. Kevin likes to put the lights out all over. I did pick up a couple of ribbons. You do get 3 yards, and they had kind of the blues and the golds in there with the fall colors. So I did go ahead and get those. I picked up, they had a lot of cute things for like your Thanksgiving dinner. So we're in the middle of a gratitude month, and this says thankful, and these cute little cups. So I thought it would be fun to put out for Thanksgiving. My sister's coming, so it'll be a fun thing. All right, so I did pick up some more of these little stickers. They're puffy stickers, but they have words on them, and I've used them on my journals before, and it just adds a lot without adding any weight to the cover. So that's pretty cool. They do have these little bags out. You get 3 in each package. They're fabric gift bags, so they have the little drawstring on them. This one is the candy canes. This one is holiday candy, homemade little sign on there. And they had others too, but I use these kind of for gifts and things like that. So went ahead and picked those up, because I have learned at Dollar Tree, if you don't buy it when you see it, you may not get it at all. I should make a motto for them. Buy it when you see it, or you may not get it. Anyway, they had these cute little books. These are great little stocking stuffers, or they're not quite the size for a stocking, but you could wrap it with a little present put on top. But it comes with these little stickers. Let me show you inside. Oh, and so the stickers are like this. I think it was put there so it didn't fall out like it just did for me when I pulled it out. And then you get the little storybook, and it has little activities and different things in it. So this one is the gingerbread Christmas, and then I got the happy holiday one. It's blue. I think they had 1 or 2 others, so I got 2. Then, of course, we're going to have to decorate for Christmas and for kids' church. So I got some big candy canes, which you'll see that picture. And then I got this little thing to hang up. Looks like candy hanging on the wall. Who wouldn't want that? I mean, if you were a kid, wouldn't you want that? I mean, my goodness, of course you would. All right, so another thing that I found I hadn't seen, so I got one set as a gift, but it's this wishing you a Merry Christmas with trees and the snow. And I am actually working on a new digital printable that's I'm calling Snowy Christmas, and it has something similar to this. So they got the glove, the dish towel, and the pot holders. So I got one set for me because I like it, and I'm going to put it out at Christmas. And the other set I got, that's going to be a gift. Then they had the red LED candles. Now we do a little Advent wreath at our church, and we always have to light candles. So I thought, well, I'll get these, and we just turn them on for the right Sunday. And the thing is, when you see them, get them. Just saying, I have had trouble with that before. All right, how many of you loved the busted canvas? Did you love it? I did. And I'm actually having a little bit of trouble finding the artist canvas for the 8x10. So I found 5x7 at Dollar Tree. So I got the stretch canvas and the artist canvas. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a 5x7 set of 2. So I just have to figure out what picture to put on there. I can't wait to do it. I had so much fun doing busted canvas. Do you guys like busted canvas? Anyway, I have a video. All right. They had these cute little felt appliques. They're stickers, I guess. They have the sticky back. You get 4 Santas and 9 with the ornaments. So, Christmas, Christmas. Hair clips. I need those. All right. I did pick up a calendar for 2025. It is the Farmer's Market. I was excited to find it. It's really cute, and I'm gonna have to make some things with it. I buy the calendars all the time, and I have made some things with the pictures. It just gives you that like artwork right off with the trucks and the farmer look, country look. Then have your Dollar Trees been like less and less frames? Mine have. I'm not sure why, but I guess they're trying to make room for other things. But anyway, a couple of certificate frames my husband asked for. So picked that up. 2 more bags, laid, oh, 3 actually. Candy for kids. They've got their Christmas candies out. So if you buy candies for stocking stuffers, they've got those special ones, and then they have just your regular. And let's see what else. They had marshmallows, so if they like marshmallows. And then for my husband's stocking, you're gonna laugh, but he likes spicy stuff. So they had this tomato ketchup with jalapenos. So I hadn't seen that before. He likes spicy, so I'm actually gonna put it in his stocking. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. My sister is coming for Thanksgiving, my nephew. And so I picked up some themed plates, platters, and a little platter, just to make it a little more fun for the visit. And then they had napkins also. So that, ooh, I'm gonna knock over my table. I picked up a book for a journal. Believe it or not, I was looking for a certain size and they had it. One more. You'll like this one. All right, have you seen these? These little bottle brush trees with the snow on them. They are cute. So I did get 2. I always try not to take everything they have. They had 4 left. But Aren't they cute? I'll put those up. And what else did they have? I got a toy, little skateboard toy. This cute cup. Look at that. Is that cute? That is cute. Let's see. Let's open it. It unscrews. It's just a tumbler, but and the straw doesn't come all the way out, so it'll keep it in there. I don't expect that this is for hot beverages though. I think it's just like tea or water or whatever. All right, and then this cute little building block highlighters. It's looks like Legos, and it's got the different, you pull it apart, and so it's got the different colors. Also, I learned last year, if you see a mug, and believe it or not, everybody has tons of mugs, but it's always fun to make a gift with. If you see a mug that you like, get it, because you'll go back and they won't have it. So this one is, I'm only a morning person on December 25th. Is that cute? And I love the red handle on that one. And then the other one is Holiday Candy Homemade. Is that cute? Anyway, that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I don't know what could be your favorite. I really love the theme for these kitchen towels and pot holders. I love it all. What's your favorite? Thanks for watching. Watch after. You can see some pictures from in the store of things that I didn't necessarily buy, and have a great day.